Hello everyone, I am Ruklan from Sri Lanka University Catholic Students Movement. Recently I participated in the IMCS Asia Pacific CLAP workshop which was done under the theme Migrant Rights. This 5-day workshop was very informative. From the sessions, the presentations and the group activities we did, I learned a lot. Starting from the very definition of who is a migrant to the responses that the Catholic Church in our country, in other countries have given to make sure that migrant rights are protected. I also gained knowledge on how IMCS have taken action to address the issues that migrants face. During these sessions, I got the chance to get to know IMCS members from other countries, and this was my second CLAP workshop experience, and I have to say that both of them were really great. So I would like to invite all of you to join the upcoming CLAP workshops. You all will definitely get the chance to broaden your knowledge, so don't miss the opportunity. Finally, I would like to thank the IMCS AP team for giving me this opportunity.